Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is a very quick video, hopefully under 2 minutes. If you go off-roading, you probably need a recovery board. These recovery boards actually help you when you're in deep sand or you're really losing traction, potentially in mud. You can use a recovery board as a shovel, and then you stick it into the wheel that, if you don't have four-wheel drive, you stick it into the wheel that is actually spinning so it can get traction, but you wedge it down so the tire and the recovery board can act as a adhesive surface so that you get more friction and then able to advance your vehicle further. Now, if you buy a recovery board, they come with these straps, and people are wondering, well, what do I do with the straps? Are they used to tie it down or easy to carry? Well, yeah, I guess you could use them that way. But really, these are leashes. And I'm going to give you an example. See how I've got it tied to this recovery board? Well, when this recovery board gets wedged in and you get traction over it and the weight of your vehicle buries it under the sand, one of the ways to ease the recovery of the actual board is by having a leash. So you can grab the edge of the leash and then pull up. But that's why you have these straps. And a lot of times you buy it and it doesn't explain what these are used for. Quick video. Thank you for watching.